Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to talk about Galane Gold because they released earnings. You can see here how much that they produced. There was positive cash flow, yes, and there's also some disruptions from flooding, but that's going to be resolved later on. So these are a lot of numbers, so we need to analyze this. Stock has not done very well. It's at new lows. So what is actually going on here? So I have done all the numbers, all the calculations. And you can see here that the price to book value is still at 0.6, 0.7. Equity has actually gone up. You can see here that the equity is up, but the earnings are lagging. You can see here that the revenue is actually down, and earnings from operations is almost at zero. So something has happened, okay? Something has happened. And that something is production. As you can see here, I expected Q2 to be better than Q1. I expected it to go up to its target of 5,500 per quarter, but instead production went down. So this is not good. This is not good. And you can also check this in the numbers. So here we have the numbers here. Q1 we had this amount of ores mined. Q2 it was lower. The grade was also lower. For Galaxy also the amount of ore was lower and the grade was lower. For the underground the same, lower tonnage and lower grade. And tailings also lower. So everything is lower compared to the first quarter. In total, we had only 800 ounces of gold, which is lower than this amount. So that's not good. Here you can see the amount of ore that has been milled. It's lower than the first quarter, and the recoveries are lower. So all bad numbers. 143,000. That's about at this level. And we should already be at 300,000, but we are still at 140,000. So there has not been any progress this quarter. So very bad numbers. Amount of gold produced is also lower. So this is a concentrate produced is lower. And here you can see the numbers. Gold concentrate production for this quarter is lower than the first quarter. Amount of payable gold sales, which is 75%, is also lower than. Revenue is 3 million instead of 4 million. So you can see revenue is down. Operating earnings are almost at zero. So from this you can calculate the costs, and you can see that the costs have gone up from 2.6 million to 3 million. So that's also not good. And you can actually calculate the AISC per payable ounce, which is the costs per, so this divided by this, and we have almost 1800 AISC. This is not a profitable business, okay? AISC per gold concentrate is 1300, but yeah, this number is not that important. This is more important. the 1,800 with payable gold. And even this number, we should already be at below 1,000. But we are now at 1,300. So they are not progressing well. Their guidance is not met. So these are all bad numbers. And yeah, when you are investing and you see quarter after quarter of bad numbers, then it's time to sell. And that's what I did. I sold all my shares and put it in Santa Cruz Silver. So this will probably be my last video. If the numbers get better, I'm still watching, then probably I'll be back, but not anytime soon. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.